What's going on, y'all? We're here with Tory. He's one of my boy Marco's friends, and we got George over here in the house too. He's unboxing an Arrma Kraton. He's buying his first Arrma today, so we was gonna go ahead and immortalize it, get this on film. Taking the top off for the first time. He got the green one, and yeah, we gotta smell that. We gotta smell that. Gonna get this thing open up real quick. So there you got your basic tools and stuff. They give you another set of XT90 connectors for your batteries, which is good, and tools for your wheels and Allen keys and stuff like that. So,
do they give you an extra pinion in it?
Yeah, it should be a speed pinion gear in there too. I think it's a 16 too, so he's gonna go ahead and get this out real quick. We were poking at him a little bit, man. We like, yeah, he got some hair on his chest now. He got a real car.
Oh, that looks good, man.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that beast. Look at that beast right there. So I guess he'll check the suspension, tires, push it up and down. I usually buy my tires, but don't be like me. I'm crazy. I always buy my tires when I first get them out.
Oh yeah. That's ready to launch, isn't it?
Yeah, that's ready to go, man. That's ready to go.
That looks good.
So I don't know what you think about it. He's like, he's ready to go.
He said, as long as it hold up, because he.
Oh, it's gonna
launch it, man.
It's gonna hold up, man. Shoot, mine's held up. Shoot.
You break them the first day.
Oh, you won't. You probably won't break that one the first day, but it's gonna run, and he's gonna run it on a 6S too. So.
Oh, okay.
So there's millions of unboxes on it and stuff, and I unboxed mine too. He was thinking about what car to get, and he had a couple other cars, some 10 scale Traxxas cars, but he wanted something that's tough and big and that can handle and that was durable. So we said, get a Kraton. So all right, we're just taking a quick look at this, guys. We'll get this up and running and do his first run video too. I think you're gonna run it on 6S the first time. Yeah, he's like, yep. He's like, he's running it all the time. He ain't never doing no 4S. So yeah, he's gonna go back to the future when he first runs this on 6S. We're gonna see Doc Holliday running across, talking about some 88 miles per hour.
Is this considered the version 3?
Yeah, that's the version 3. So with the version 3, he's got the upgraded battery trays and stuff. It's basically they put all the outcast components on it to make it stronger. So you'll be good to go, man. You will be good to go.
You gonna go ahead and gear it up too?
Look, he gonna put the speed gear in there and everything. So all right, guys, we're gonna get this running real quick in just a bit, and we'll put a video up of his first run as well. So it's gonna be fast. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.
Oh yeah, you have to kind of like fit it in there.
See, he likes the way the body fits, body pins and stuff on there. So yeah, we'll get this thing going. All right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.